What's going on, everyone? It's Justin here, and today I have my best budget tech items under the price point of $50 and under $100. It's always some of our most popular videos because a bit of money goes a long way in the tech space, and when it comes to unique accessories and productivity tools, as well as everyday carry things, you can find something for yourself or also for the holiday season. We're going to be doing a lot more of these episodes and at different price points as well, so just make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned for that, but let's just go ahead and get started. So for this holiday season, I'm giving away a PlayStation 5 Slim on the channel, and I'm really excited to bring this giveaway once again because it is pretty much the most requested gift over the past few years. So to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and also leave a comment down below with your Instagram username as well as your favorite product featured in this episode, and also go ahead and comment on the other gift guides from this year. There are 3 of them in total that I'm gonna leave a link down below if you would like an additional 2 entries, and I'll be contacting the winner directly on Instagram in 2 weeks, so don't respond to any of the impersonation or spam accounts in the comments section below. But good luck, and a huge thanks to everyone who has watched our videos this year. So when it comes to some great value accessories, ESR is a company that has also been in the game for a while, and they make great stuff for iPads, iPhone, charging devices, as well as AirPods. Starting with some of my favorites, this is a really rugged AirPods case. It's for the AirPods Pro and it has nice reinforcements, including metal reinforcements on the back here that ensure that your AirPods Pro is nicely protected. It's available in black, blue, and purple, and comes in at a price of 25 bucks. When it comes to a great iPad accessory though, this is the magnetic shift case. It's for the iPad Pro 11 in this case, but it's available for many different models. And what's great about this is that it not only comes in under $100, but it is also a 6-in-1 case that lets you maximize the functionality of your iPad or iPad Pro. You're able to use it in a raised screen view mode, as well as a portrait mode, free move mode, writing mode, and also viewing mode and fridge mode, and it's available in black, blue, purple, and brown. The ESR 100-watt 6-in-1 GAN charging station is also a great gift because it has cryo boost technology and it's compatible with MagSafe. It also has a spot for your Apple Watch and your AirPods, and also additional ports on the side. At a price point of closer to $20, ESR also has their stash case for the iPhone, and what I like about this is that it has a built-in stand. It is built into the camera element and it blends right in. If you guys want to go ahead and check out any of these ESR products for yourself, I'm going to drop a link down in the top of the description section, and a huge thanks to them for sponsoring this video. So one of the easiest recommendations that I can make when it comes to a holiday gift for someone who is on their computer and something that they could use for many years to come is the Logitech MX lineup. Whether it's the MX Master 3, the 3S, the one for the Mac, or the MX Anywhere, you really can't go wrong with the Logitech mouse on the aspect of productivity. It is literally the best option out there when it comes to an amazing mouse, and it's ergonomic, it has great battery life, it charges via USB Type-C, has great sensitivity as well, and it's been the go-to mouse that I've had on every single one of my setups over the years. It has like this crazy infinite scroll here. You also have the horizontal scrolling on the side. It is nicely engineered out of metal and perfectly molded to the hand. And I mean, I've talked about this so many times, but it does go on sale occasionally. And I think when it does, it is absolutely what you should go ahead and purchase as the ultimate productivity mouse, because I've kept all of mine for many years and I also bring them on the road. So when it comes to instant cameras, I feel like this is something that I've featured many times before, and I personally use them here and there, as well as film cameras, but I've always been trying to find that happy medium. And so I have 2 different products here. One of them is a traditional film instant camera, and it is the Polaroid Go. It comes in at a price point of $69, very affordable, but even if you don't use it very often, it is something that looks great on your desk setup or just on your bedside table. It is super stylish. It has like that retro rainbow here. You can also pick it up in black, but what I like about this is that it is really small. It can fit in your purse and backpack easily. You go ahead and load up the film, you're good to go. It has flash that is built in, and you also have the power button on the back. You press the button on the top to take your photo, and there really isn't much to it. Super simple, easy to use, and that is the whole point of these instant cameras. But one accessory that I also picked up recently that I've loved is the Fujifilm Instax Mini Link 2. I just wanted something that I'm able to load photos through a mobile app on my phone, and whether I took it on my iPhone, my Fuji X100, or my Leica, it really doesn't matter. You can print anything in a very instant format through this right here. You just go ahead and connect it to your smartphone, send the images over, you can pick the frame or the style, load it up with film, and it will print it out as if you took an instant photo. But of course, you still have that main digital copy, and so you really do get the best of both worlds, and it comes in at a price point of about $100. I have checked out quite a few of these in the past, and my main key point was reliability. A lot of them would either break or they may be like lose connection to the app all the time. And from consensus, the Fuji Insta Mini Link 2 has the best reviews, both on the App Store and in general. And from personal experience, I can say that it has been really reliable and it's been great to use, and the results have been awesome. So another cool tech product that I've checked out recently is from Paperlike. It comes in at a price point of $25 and it is a screen cleaning kit. You just go ahead and pop this open here, and you can see it has microfiber that is wrapped all the way around, but it also has a spray bottle with a special solution that is able to clean off those smudges and leave no streaks that is built in. There's also 5 additional pods that are included, and so you don't really have to worry about having to replace the whole thing very often. But what I like about it is that it is super compact, it's very well thought out, and as soon as you spray the screen and brush this around, then you're able to actually get rid of some of the little additional streaks or hard to clean areas using the corner edges. I just think it's an amazing accessory, and when you're not using it, you can just go ahead and pop it back in the case and it will keep the microfiber elements clean. If you do need to clean the microfiber though, just rinse it and you're good to go. And I just think it is super well thought out for a really simple accessory. So for anyone who is into tech, a very easy accessory here is backup batteries. And you guys know we've checked out so many of them, and the ones that I've really enjoyed lately have been from Anker. This right here is the Anker 533, and I've actually bought 3 of them and made it my main backup battery pack because it has everything. It is really portable. It also has 2 USB Type-C ports, which is pretty much what everything is transitioning to. But last resort, you still have USB Type-A, which is great to have. You can see I have a bigger backup battery here as well. It's 20,000 milliamp hours and it has like a lot of smart features, but this comes in at a price point that is higher than what is in this episode. But just a whole lineup of Anker accessories and the backup batteries are things that we've been very familiar with, and they have tons of experience in the industry. Back to the main battery pack though, it's about 10,000 milliamp hours, which is able to charge your smartphone multiple times for the most part. And it comes in at a size that makes sense for the 10,000 milliamp hours. It fits in your pocket very easily, and you also have your button controls right here to be able to show the percentage, and it also shows an estimated charge time when you have it plugged in, so that is great. But I just really like how simple it is. It's really to the point. I've tried out many different ones that may be a little bit inconsistent. We're not able to charge at a very high speed at times, and this comes in at a price point of $50, and it's available in 4 different colors. So a company that I'm seeing a lot of lately is Hoto. And you guys know I love making home videos, interiors, and pretty much all the spare money I spend is on my house. And that's an area that I just find that whenever there's something cool or something I want to add, I'm always trying to find ways to improve it. And the same can be said about my desk setups and the office. And so Hoto is a really good gift for anyone out there who is just really into that home stuff and in general likes to put stuff together. But this is a 25-piece hand screwdriver kit. I usually don't really need like a full-on toolkit in my house for the most part. It's just fixing little things, and so this is absolutely perfect. And the fact that it is so aesthetic is just an additional bonus. You can see that it has all of these steel bits right here, the drill bits that you need on an everyday basis. It doesn't really have like the micro bits that you might need for your computer, but it does still have all of the necessities. And you also have the extender, and the main head right here is just very, very simple. It has a 1500 milliamp hour battery and it charges via USB Type-C, and I just love this navy blue color. It has a little light built in on the end. It's very simple in the way that it works. You won't be using this to like do any heavy duty jobs, but for most like everyday things, I think it's great. And they also have quite a few other products, and it comes in at a price point of $80. For more stylish accessories under the price of $100, a lineup that I've been really happy with is Nomad. Whether it is the AirTag holders or the iPhone case, I have finally switched out of my Apple silicone case for the first time in many years. And this was a case that I was a little bit skeptical about because of its durability, but I've used it for many months now, taken it on work trips. It's been in and out of my pocket thousands of times, and you can see it still looks pretty much brand new aside for some natural wear. It also has a nice silicone reinforcement that goes around the edge and a ridge to it, so I really haven't dropped my phone that much, but there's also ridges on the sleep-wake button, and the only complaints that I have about it is the fact that I do wish the action button had a ridge as well, so I can tell between that and the volume rockers, and Nomad's own cables don't exactly fit sometimes in the bottom for the USB Type-C charger. But otherwise, it's been a really good case, very durable. It does have a lay on the table design as well. And when it comes to other Nomad accessories that are under $100, I also really like their slim wall charger, because whenever I'm traveling in a hotel, for example, you might not have enough room to like plug in the thing or on a plane. And so having a slim plug in both a 35 watt and a 65 watt option is super handy. A gift that I also seem to recommend every year is Apple AirTags. And I know some people that lose things all the time, and I personally don't lose things that often, but when I do, it's really bad. And so you can't go wrong with giving away some AirTags. And so you have 4 of them at a price of like $100 and under. It really is something that is the perfect stocking stuffer, and I have them all over the place, especially with the ecosystem of accessories being an Apple product. You can find them for your backpack, your luggage. You can also find like a water bottle carabiner, a wallet, you name it. There's so many ways that you can use the AirTag, and thanks to the beacon system, it is a very solid platform. So this next gift ranges in price point depending on the storage size, but the Samsung T7 is my go-to SSD right now. I do have SanDisk ones as well as G Technology ones, but I have heard there are like some inconsistent issues with the SanDisk lineup. So when it came to buying new drives for the office, we've gone with the Samsung T7 series. I've had Samsung T drives for many years from previous generations, and to be totally honest with you, I don't really notice the difference when it comes to performance on a year-by-year basis, just based on what I'm using them for. When it comes to editing, I find that anything over like 1,000 megabytes per second or close to that is pretty much enough to not really notice a big difference. But when it comes to transferring a lot of big files, that is where it does matter. I did pick these up on sale, so you definitely want to look out for that because they do go on sale all the time, but this specifically is the T7 Shield. It is the one that is rugged. It has like the silicone layer on the outside, and I really like that because I often have my SSD connected next to my laptop, and when I go to carry it around, I just have it sitting on top of my laptop, and so I don't want to worry about it getting scratched and stuff. And so with a soft finish, it kind of fixes that problem. And on top of that, if you drop it, then you're sure that it is nicely protected because you obviously have some important content on there. It is drop resistant of about 3 meters, and it is IP65 water and dust resistant rated. And I personally went with 4 terabytes because there was a really good deal in the last Black Friday sale, but obviously that is over now, but I have seen them on sale quite a few times. But if you go with the lower storage size, just to expand the space on your laptop by stock, then it comes in at the price point that fits into the budget of this video. And I mean, I can never have enough of these as someone who is in the photo and video industry. Another really good accessory for any traveler is the Mi Audio Connect Air. One problem when you're on planes is that they use like a 3.5mm headphone jack, and you're not able to use your favorite pair of wireless headphones such as the Apple AirPods. You go ahead and connect it to the 3.5mm headphone jack of the in-flight entertainment system, and from there you're able to pair 2 devices via Bluetooth. It also has a 20-hour battery life, which is great, and it's a very simple accessory that everyone can enjoy. But otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching this video where we take a look at the best tech items under $50 and under $100. And as I said, it's a very exciting category. So all the links are gonna be down below as always. And if you enjoyed it, make sure you go ahead and drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all in the next video.